Hey everybody, I'm Riley from Riley's Workshop, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to cut a cove with a table saw. You may not know it, but it's super easy to cut a cove with a table saw. Let's jump right into it. So the first step is you're going to find a fence. Now this won't get cut at all, but you're going to need one. So then you're going to clamp your board like this. And then you're going to put the other end against your fence. Just make sure when you're clamping this that your board isn't touching the blade. The next step is to set your blade height. You don't want it high enough that it'll hit your fence, so you just want it where only the teeth will cut, so probably about 1/8 to 3/16 high. And now the last step is just grab your board that you want to cut a cove in and just push it through the table saw like I'm about to show you. And just like that, you have a super nice cove, just with the table saw. And if you need to cut it any deeper, then you just have to keep raising the blade, not by very much though. You may notice that this video is shorter than normal. That's because I'm trying a new series where I just create 1 to 2 minute tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching, and if you like what you saw, go ahead and leave a comment down below, like, and subscribe. See you in my next video.